Kashmir, also known as Paradise on Earth, is a region located in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. It is a land of breathtaking beauty, rich culture, and fascinating history. Let's embark on a virtual journey to experience the wonders of Kashmir. Kashmir is renowned for its stunning landscapes, with snow-capped mountains, lush green valleys, and serene lakes. The majestic Himalayas form a magnificent backdrop, creating a picturesque setting that captivates visitors. The beauty of Kashmir's natural scenery is truly awe-inspiring. One of the must-visit destinations in Kashmir is Dal Lake, often referred to as the jewel in the crown of Kashmir. This pristine lake is surrounded by magnificent mule gardens, charming houseboats, and floating markets. Imagine gliding along the tranquil waters of Dal Lake, surrounded by the majestic Himalayas. Kashmir is also known for its rich cultural heritage. The region has a diverse mix of ethnicities, languages, and traditions. You can immerse yourself in the vibrant Kashmiri culture by exploring the local markets, trying traditional cuisine, and witnessing colorful festivals. For history enthusiasts, Kashmir offers a treasure trove of ancient monuments and historical sites. The city of Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, is home to several architectural marvels, including the iconic Mule Gardens and the historic Shankaracharya Temple.